Hey guys, what I'm gonna do now is to clean my room. It's so messy. It's like the messiest it's ever been. I'm type of a clean person, like in my room and stuff. Like I clean everything, but I did not have time this week at all. So usually today's Friday and today I'm off from school. I went shopping with mom and stuff today and then came back, and it's about like nighttime right now. I think it's like 8 o'clock, I'm not sure, but yeah, around that time. So busy, and I work tomorrow, so I'm not gonna be able to clean my room tomorrow, so I'm gonna do it right now. Yeah, and I'm just gonna show you how I clean. I just want to see, so I'm gonna leave you guys. Dead flowers from Valentine's Day still sitting there. Unbelievable. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. Guys, do you see my clock right there? Do you see? That clock says 4 o'clock. And it's not 4 o'clock. That been ran out of battery for like a month, and I still did not change it because I'm like, it is so much work. And I don't really look at that clock, but I was like, ooh, I needed a clock, you know? Oh. So my bed is a mess right now, and I need to change my bed, and I bought new bedding, so I'll show you guys right now. So I just bought my bed is a queen, so I bought a bed sheet and like a bed sheet set, and I bought this one. I really like it though, so I hope it looks good on my bed. Yeah. I don't know how to do this. I think I need my mom. I finally figured out how to do it. Oh my god. I did not expect that to be this hard, you know? The bed's clean. Just gonna be like this way. I don't know. So good. But do you want to see the mess around me now? Yep. Now I gotta clean all of that out and put everything. So most of the part, everything is done. Here the bed's clean. I wiped everywhere down, so it's gotta like fix everything and where everything goes. So yeah, I'll show you after everything is clean and ready, you know. Hey guys, so I finished. I cleaned everything and that took so long. It's now time 10:40. I started doing this at like 8 o'clock. I vacuumed, I cleaned, I did everything. So I'll show you my clean room. So guys, that's it. So right now I'm just gonna clean myself now and then probably catch up on my homeworks because I work tomorrow. So yeah, bye.